Hello, responsible adults. Throughout history there have been innumerable crazes. In the Victorian times, there was the lump of coal, which children of the time just loved to dig out of mines. In the 1980s, there was the Rubik's Cube, and the Rubik's Snake, and the He-Man. And of course, there's always the handgun, the most popular toy in America. And now, as you may have heard in incredibly fresh and relevant news, there is the fidget spinner. But no crazes last. Soon, the next major fad will come along. Listen in, responsible adults, for the boffins over at the boffins over at Cool Kids Good Toys Limited have hooked up some brilliant alternatives so you can stay ahead of the time. We have no ulterior motives. I promise. My wife said she had no ulterior motives.
I have crippling depression.
Number 1.
The fidget rock.
Your child will love tossing it. Toss it at your friends. Toss it at your neighbours. Hell, you can toss it through the window. Number 2. The fidget t-shirt. The fidget t-shirt is specially equipped with fidget persuasion utilization drivers for ultimate fidgeting fun for all the family. It's literally a very itchy t-shirt. Comes with fidget pads for an extra $999.99. That's less than 1,000. Number 2. Number 3. The fidget paper. The fidget paper is paper your child will love to rub over his skin and under his nails. Or her skin, her nails. Its skin, its nails. We're sure it will be the next fad. Engineered by the Cool Kid Toys, Good Toys, limited team to be completely paper cut free. Pencil only, $999.99 extra. I'll be paying that much in alimony. Number 4. The fidget figure. Fidget till it breaks. Look, it can move. It can move a bit more. Parts are fully removable for the most customizable experience. It's amazing how quickly it falls to pieces. Just like my marriage. And drum roll. The final fidget toy. The fidget plastic bag. You get it after you realise you're not getting paid for this advert and you put it over your head.